Hello YouTube. My old 7M cylinder head exhaust studs are not holding tight as they should. At least 3 studs have stripped the threads on the cylinder head. So I'm going to drill out the stud holes to install helicoils and 7/16 studs. Hopefully doing this should let me torque down the exhaust nuts enough to properly seal the exhaust manifold to the cylinder head. Okay, to do this little project, I bought this kit from Drip Motion. Kit comes with a tap holder, insert tool, 8 helicoils, a tap, studs and lock nuts, and a 29/64 drill bit. To remove the old stud, 2 nuts are used to unscrew the old stud. But if you don't want to reuse the old stud, you can simply just use a vice grip to remove them. Now the stud hole is ready to be drilled. I measured the depth of the hole, which came out to approximately 7/8 of an inch. Then I placed some blue tape on my drill bit for that distance so that I do not drill past the existing hole depth. So this is what I'm using for the cutting. Put some tapping oil in, start tapping. Try to keep it straight. Take your time. Okay, after tapping, go ahead and clean it and spray it with the brake cleaner. And blow it out with air. Make sure there's no more chips in there. And it's gonna be ready for the helicoil. Once the helicoil is flush with the mating surface, I try to thread it in another half or 1 full turn. Okay, so with the helicoil installed, I broke off the tang by hitting it with a flathead screwdriver. Next, the new studs are ready to be threaded in. So after replacing all the exhaust studs, the exhaust manifold is test fitted. There you go. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if any comments, and thanks for watching.